I've lost over 220 pounds. It's time for another grocery haul. So let's go in Sam's Club and see what we can find this week. The buffalo style chicken breast from Sam's is some of my absolute favorites. So I had to grab me some of that this time. I love it. And I had saw that they had roast beef. So I decided to give it a try this time. I like roast beef sometimes. I saw the Bloom Greens were on sale. And then I found what I had been looking for, the Tuscan style herb turkey breast. I am obsessed with this. I should have got two. It's so good, I tell you right now. And then I got these chicken breast bites. They're rotisserie season. Figured those would be good on like salads and wraps. And I love this company's chicken fajitas. So I went ahead and got the beef fajitas. Hopefully they'll be just as good as the chicken. And there's the chicken. I love this stuff. I'm not even playing. I can eat this cold and without anything. I love it so much. So glad it was a 2-pack. So definitely grabbed that. Now I didn't get any of these, but I got them last time. They're fryer grilled boneless chicken breast. So stinking good. Highly recommend those. And I got some hard boiled eggs. I don't like boiling my own eggs. I don't want to hear about preservatives or processed. I do what works for me. If it doesn't work for you, don't do it. I did not get this, but it looked pretty good. Have you guys tried the beef brisket? And then I got my husband some pulled pork. I might try some too. Don't let me lie to you. And I've never had buttered chicken before, but I figured I would try this and serve it up with some of the low carb rice I have at home. You know, I love my low carb tortillas. I got the street size carb counter ones, and my husband, he likes the big daddy ones. So I got some of like the large burrito size ones for him. I like the large ones for him because otherwise he'll eat like stinking 4 taco shells for 2 regular sized tacos. I know it's crazy. Those spinach and feta chicken meatballs, dynamite. I'm telling you, get the best meatballs I ever had. I saw that they had the Mission Zero Net Carb little tortillas, but I stuck with the La Banda Dorita ones and I found Keto Hawaiian bread. They had a 2-pack. My husband said, get it now. And I said, okay. Have you had their rotisserie chicken salad? It looked really good. And so did these stuffed peppers. I wanted to get them, but I was like, girl, you could make those yourself and make them much healthier and lower in calories. So I'm going to do that. That chicken looked really good too. Oh, and then, you know, I love my mini peppers. So I grabbed myself a bag of those little honey bunnies, and I love me some cheese. You guys know I eat cheese with basically every meal, and this mozzarella from Sam's is really good. I like getting a big bag. So yeah. I didn't get this, but that Alaskan salmon looked really good. Have you had that one? And I didn't get these either, but they looked yummy. Salmon bites, kind of like a fish stick, but with salmon. I don't know. I thought they looked good. Y'all told me to try the protein pancakes, so I picked those up. I will share maybe with my husband. And I've been gatekeeping the cheesesteak Alfredo, so I had to get some sirloin beef so we can make that. And I saw the sweet teriyaki chicken fillets. They're already pre-cooked. I can just throw them in the air fryer. Simple and easy. That's what works for me. So I got some of those. I didn't get these pickles, but I liked that those were like in little snack packs. That's pretty cool. You can take those, you know, for lunch or whatever. And I'm not usually a lemon water person, but this looked pretty interesting. So if you tried it, let me know if it's any good. I needed some onion powder. And I saw some caramelized onion butter seasoning. That sounds really stinking good. Let me know if you tried it. And I needed some garlic powder. And I love Tab. Oh my goodness. I used to watch her all the time. I wanted to go vegan, but I could never. Is that seasoning any good? Let me know that also. I saw some Kind bars. I saw they had little mini ones, and then they had like their protein bars. I haven't tried any of those, but I really do like the Kind Zero Sugar bars that I've been getting lately. And Skinny Pop had cheddar jalapeno popcorn. I'm doing low carb, so I didn't get any, but it looked really good. Their ranch seasoning was on sale, so you know I grabbed that. And look what I found. You know I love Egg Life wraps. I don't need any of the original ones, but I wanted the sweet cinnamon wraps because I've never tried them, so I had to get the whole box, of course. And then they had the Premier Protein salted caramel popcorn protein shakes. You guys know I did a review about those. They're so stinking good. And then I saw cinnamon roll protein shakes. I do like these, but they're hard to find, so I was surprised I've seen that many. And I like Robert Irvine, but I've never tried his protein bars. So if you've had them, let me know if they're any good.